Your team already works seamlessly, collaborating on projects, holding virtual meetings, and storing files securely in the cloud, thanks to Microsoft 365 Business Standard. But what if you could keep all of that and add powerful security? Say hello to Microsoft 365 Business Premium. It has everything Standard offers: Word, Excel, Outlook, Teams, plus advanced security to protect your business from today's cyber threats. What makes Premium special? First, advanced threat protection. This actively blocks malicious software and phishing attacks. There's also Intune for device management, keeping laptops, tablets, and phones secure, and letting you control data access from anywhere. Then, Purview Information Protection safeguards sensitive info by labeling and securing key documents and emails. And finally, Defender for Business provides constant protection across apps and cloud data with the latest defense tech. Business Premium takes your productivity toolkit and adds proactive security, keeping your business safe and running smoothly. We can help you get set up. Get in touch.